Hello, friends. My name is Paul Ford, and I am the co founder of Aboard, and I'm out here doing my holiday shopping. Now, as you can see, I've created a board, and what I've got is a list of the people in my life here on the left in the form of stacks. I got Tommy, Maureen, Mom, and Jeff. And the only thing I've saved so far is this Chewy e-gift card. And, nobody wants that. That's not really a gift that I think I should give for the holidays. But up above, if you look, wow, I have a lot of tabs. I'm just rich with tabs. I have gone out and I have found all the things that I think people might like in my life. And so we've all been in this situation. All these tabs. What are you going to do with them? How are you going to organize them? Well, over here I've got the Aboard browser extension. And I'm going to click on that. And it's going to offer to save just this product to the boards. Okay, it's going to it's going to put it somewhere. Let's not put it there. Let's put it in the old holiday presents board. Okay. I'm going to save it in the everything else category. But you know what? I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I want to save everything all at once. Well, conveniently right here at the top, save all 34 tabs. It's actually that easy. You just click that, and now everything I'm looking at is ready to be saved here into holiday presents. Add 34 cards. It's going to take forever, right? It's going to take an eternity. It's never going to, oh my gosh, it's already done. Oh, wow, look at that. And over I go. Whoa, I'm back where I was. I'm here, except now I got all those cards. All those tabs have been turned into really nice permanent cards. I can look at them. I can go back to the link. I can add comments. I can do all sorts of stuff. Gets the price. It's just really nice. And I want to figure out what I'm going to buy for whom, right? And so I think that this Cosmo Series Crystal Ball Night thing is just right for Tommy. And I always wanted to get Maureen a medium nylon crescent bag, so I'll put that in there. And classic easy tote for Mom, and dusty orange Johari wax cotton bum bag for Jeff. Everybody's winning. And so we go on in there to Mom. There it is. It's all good. So now I have this all saved, nice, easy to get back to. I can add comments. If I was shopping with somebody else, I could invite them. I could go on down here and share this board with them and bring them in via email or link. And so, bang, tab sweep takes all of your tabs, no matter how messy, cleans them up, and gives you a tool to put them into really clean, organized, well-structured stacks and make sense of your world. And it works for everything, not just for shopping. It works for articles, works for any kind of content you throw at it. We're very proud of it. We love it. It's Tab Sweep. Give it a try. Tell us what you think. Make a lot of cards. Test it out. And we hope to hear from you soon. You soon.